In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a clickable link in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to add a link. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab. Drag a text element onto your page if you don't already have text to link. Enter the text you want visitors to click, then highlight the word or phrase. In the formatting toolbar that appears, click the link icon. Choose the type of link you want to add. You can link to another page on your website, an external website, an email address, or a file. Enter the destination, then confirm your selection. Preview your website and click the link to make sure it works correctly. When you're happy with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to add a clickable link in Weebly. Thanks for watching.